Okay, so I really just wanted to share my haul with y'all before my husband gets home. I can get this stuff cleaned up and get it put in its place, and he might not notice, or else if he notices, he might not say anything. So
just before vacation, I had gone thrifting with Bethany and found an item that I could not stop thinking about. So when we got home, we found ourselves back at our favorite flea market, Magnolia Flea Market in Florence, Mississippi. And the reason was because of this item.
the first thing I want to show you is this. This is so cute. I was thinking about this my entire vacation. It's these little vintage glasses that have pineapples, palm trees, fish, little Hawaiian boat on it. It's got this little white one. It's this little boat. I just love it.
Okay, when we first walked in, after I grabbed my glasses, I saw these beautiful prints, and I almost got one until I saw these.
The next thing I got were these. These are numbered and signed, and I'm gonna have to look them up. They are a set. It says Starfish. It looks like it's on handmade paper, and I don't know if this is some kind of print. I have to look it up so I can tell you some more information on it. And then there's this one, which is absolutely beautiful. It's got a shell.
Because these were numbered and signed pieces of art, I didn't want to do too much to them. So I kept the original frame, I taped it off as you see here, and then I used my Dixie Belle gold gilding wax, and I just put a couple of coats over the entire frame. After some research, I found that these are actually etching prints created by the artist Mary E. Davidson, and I am excited to be the new owner of these prints. I really think I only paid about $12 each, and I've seen them going for about $150 each on eBay. Keep watching because you're going to be floored by this quick and easy transformation. It is so dramatic and made such a difference.
Absolutely nothing is getting accomplished today. I need a director's chair so I can just direct my life.
You're dramatic.
Okay, do you guys remember this lamp from a previous video? Well, guess what?
Oh my goodness, look at this. I could have a matching pair.
No.
Yes.
All the way back home.
Mom. Oh, and look at the price. I got such a great deal.
This beautiful lamp. I got this lamp at the thrift store, and I got it for only $15.
Is that the exact same one?
Yeah, it's just different shells. I think you must have been able to buy it empty and fill it up, because the shells I have literally look like shells people found.
This was another quick and easy transformation. All I did was find a new shade, clean it up just a bit, and it was perfect. I hope you're enjoying watching this video. If you are, we would love for you to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We are working towards a goal of 500 subscribers, and you can help us make that happen just by hitting that subscribe button, hitting the little bell for notifications, and liking this video. Coming up, the seashell etching prints dramatic transformation. Look at what a difference it made just using Dixie Belle gold gilding wax on this frame. It started out with this dark brown finish that I'm not sure what year this is from, but it's obviously a vintage piece of art. And I used the Dixie Belle gold gilding wax on it. That's all I did. It was super easy. And it is incredible the difference it made. It just made it come to life.
What?
Look at this cute little patriotic setup.
Clever.
Like, I love these.
That's
I don't even know what these
nice.
are. What are these?
I'm gonna say nope to the creepy clown child.
I'm not sure about this little cookie jar. Probably a collector's item worth thousands of dollars.
Bethany found a few items that she liked too, but she was not liking the things I was picking out.
Yeah, they're kind of fun.
Yeah.
Not as fun as the fat lady in the swimsuit.
I'm not really usually into stuff like that. This little man and woman, but look how kind of interesting they are.
Really?
Yeah. And this may be Bethany's Christmas gift. Are you so serious? He's
so
like a monk or something, right?
Thou shalt not steal.
Vintage monk cookie jar.
He's fabulous.
He is.
And then I stumbled upon this beautiful print.
And the last thing I got, pretty sure on this trip, is this beautiful print. And I gotta do some cleanup. It's got some buggies under the glass, but it's gorgeous. It's signed and numbered, and I think it's gonna look great with another piece of art that I have hanging on my wall. And I'm gonna put some baskets around it and stuff like that. So I got that. So those are the little things that I got at Magnolia today. It was a great little trip. Bethany got a few things, but I gotta hurry up and hide these before the man gets home.
Here's a few items I left behind that I kind of wish that I had gotten, and I'll probably be thinking about until our next visit to Magnolia Flea Market.
These lawn chairs. We were just talking about these this week, how nostalgic they are.
There's
3! How much are these? $25 each. I wonder if they would hold my big butt. Do I dare sit?
No.
Thanks for the confidence. I appreciate you.